Hello, I am Daniel Keating-Roberts, opera singer, vocal and performance coach. And I have spent the last year developing a workshop around what I think is the #1 performance killer. And that is performance anxiety, or stress, or nerves, or whatever you want to call it. But we all know how it affects us. It affects us here in the brain and here in the body, and it sucks the joy out of our performance. So in this workshop, I want to demystify all of that. Find out what's really going on in the mind and the body, why it's happening, why it's still necessary, and give you practical tools to turn that energy around so you can use it to make your performance even better. Now, I've given this workshop in music colleges, in schools, for individuals, singers, dancers, and even a race car driver. But it's in choirs where I think we can make a real difference. If we can learn about anxiety through the lens of performance, something we can all understand, then we can have tools and knowledge to help with other kinds of anxieties that recent world events are going to have created for us. And our choir members can go out and help their families and communities and be a real vehicle for change. So if you agree with me that this is really important right now, get in touch and set up a workshop for your choir. It is that easy. And this workshop works really well over Zoom. My website is www.danielkrsinging.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And maybe, just maybe, we can use our choirs to help change the world.